So hey, I've got a green day in my small account. So we'll go into the details on that, my positions, looking at the charts. And also we're going to look at my thoughts on the market in general. We'll look at the chart on SPY, and I'm seeing some red flags on there that we could be seeing a downturn. Also, I'm going live for the first time on Saturday, 1 p.m. Central, so you can help me find out what value I can bring to you. So if you want to join me on that live stream, I don't know how long it's going to be. So it'd be a great way for you to give me feedback on what you think about my channel and what I can do to better serve you. So far, some of you have reached out already, and I appreciate that. Thank you. And if you want to still join the live stream, I'll be there at 1 p.m. on this channel. So we're up $128 on the day. That brings my net liquidation to $11,566. We can see here SoFi, I've got my call position. That's up $1 here. And then I'm up $12 on my 200 shares. Tesla is up $2.60. And that brings me at $52 on the day. Palantir is up 79 cents. And that's up $63 on the day in total. I'm down $15 on the call that I'm selling, but it's still out of the money. And I'm still eligible to collect the 13-cent credit that I rolled. So things are still looking okay with Palantir. If it does go above $23, then I will be expiring it or trying to roll it out in time for credit. Either way, I'll be able to realize the income that I've gotten from the premium on Palantir once that happens. So far, so good with Palantir. Let's take a look at the charts for these three positions and see where I think they can go next week and potentially tomorrow. How is the end of the week going to look? So looking at SoFi, we did manage to find a bottom here. We saw that buying pressure come back up after it dipped yesterday, and we continue to push up toward the ADMA. The question is going to be tomorrow, are we going to break that ADMA? Are we going to settle here, or could we end up dropping back down toward this upward trending line? Hard to say at this point, but it is looking like we could be maybe trying to come back down. The volume is light overall compared to other big days. So we may have some trouble here at the end of the week breaking that ADMA, but time is going to tell us here. And then Friday, we'll be able to have a better picture of what it's going to look like next week. So we had a nice day on Palantir as well. And this is after Palantir announced a big government contract. And so that brought a lot of hype into the stock here. We have a good volume coming in. The price went up and closed at $21.73. And we nearly touched the $22 line here and pulled back a little bit. But we've broken the ADMA, broken the 21 EMA, and we've held that position. What we're looking for is a confirmation here tomorrow. Are we going to hold above the 21 EMA here? And that's going to set us up pretty good for the next week. The next challenge here is going to be to break this resistance level and the 50-day moving average. So that's going to be the real test here for Palantir if we're going to change direction. And not too bad of a day for Tesla here. It is more of a doji candle, but we are holding above that ADMA, and we need some confirmation here that we are actually going to hold that level just like with Palantir. We do need to see that confirmation, and the volume's looking good. So we do have some good signs here holding above that ADMA. If we can see that tomorrow, we'll be seeing something really good next week, I think. And I'm a long-term shareholder of Tesla. I don't have any options on it. It's more of a buy and hold strategy here because I believe in the stock, the future that it holds. So I'm holding on for the long term with Tesla. So looking at SPY, especially the past couple days, looking at the candlesticks for this week, we are seeing lows and we are dropping down here. So we have broken the ADMA. We tested the 21 EMA. And we did stay below that 21 EMA line. And so really tomorrow is going to tell us, are we going to stay below the 21 EMA? Because if we are, we're going to be pushing toward that 50-day, and then that's going to be tested as well. So we've already broken today the previous high before the big sell-off happened, the correction happened here. So it is pretty early to see this kind of a move. I mean, could we be seeing a, like a Nike swoosh kind of move here? Potentially, but if we're going to break this 21 EMA, then the next move is down to the 50 EMA. So it's not looking very promising here for the SPY. So you can see with my wheel strategy, I am continuing to roll the positions out, collect the premium, even though the positions are against me, even though I'm in the red right now, I'm still rolling the positions out and still collecting premium and going through the wheel strategy and that's the name of the game. It's not necessarily I'm up on the day or down on the day, but am I collecting premium every week? That's the name of the game. So if you're interested in joining the Learn As You Grow community, hit that subscribe button. I share with you the things that I've learned with options trading and the stock market in general, and also the TastyTrade platform. So if you want to follow me, hit that subscribe button. If this video was a help to you, hit the like button, and we will see you on the next video.